friends, my name is Rodia, and today we are going to learn how to create flower design in Python. So here is what we are going to be making. So first we're going to create a new file. Let's name it flower.py. So firstly we start with import turtle and t is equal to turtle dot turtle add brackets. S is equal to turtle dot screen. So now we're going to write s dot bg color black. I'll save it. Oh yes, and also this one is supposed to be at the end, so I'm going to add some space. S dot axis on click. I will save it. So this. Now I will run it. It's just a black screen. So now let's write t.speed is equal to 0, radius is equal to 20, t.pen size 4, colors red, white, red. So now for x in range. Let's just write it. I think it was 9, not 8. T dot color is equal to color x percentage color so a percentage 3. So now we're going to write for I in range for t dot circle radius plus 4. So actually radius. T dot right 660, and lastly radius is equal to radius plus 4. Now I will save it and run it again. So this should be the results. So that is the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye!